Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on community helpers. Community helpers are people who work to make our neighborhoods safe and nice. Teachers help us learn new things in school. Firefighters put out fires and help in emergencies. Police officers keep us safe and enforce the laws. Doctors and nurses take care of us when we are sick. Mail carriers deliver letters and packages to our homes. Garbage collectors keep our streets clean by picking up trash. Farmers grow the food we eat every day. Construction workers build our houses and schools. Community helpers make our lives better by doing important jobs. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.